How do I use ChatGPT API to create unit tests fast? Imagine writing code and having a smart assistant help you create tests in seconds. That's what using the ChatGPT application programming interface for coding can do. It's a tool that helps developers generate unit tests quickly and easily. First, you need to prepare your code snippet. Take the function or module you want to test and make sure it's clear and well-formatted. Include details like what inputs it expects, what outputs it should produce, and any special edge cases you want to cover. Then, craft a clear prompt asking ChatGPT to generate unit tests for your code. For example, you might say, write unit tests using the testing framework PyTest for this Python function. When you send this prompt to the ChatGPT application programming interface, it will return code for the tests based on your instructions. You can specify which testing framework you prefer, like PyTest for Python or Jest for JavaScript. The API supports many popular options. Once you get the generated tests, review them carefully. They might need some tweaks or fixes, especially if they miss some edge cases or have small errors. This is normal because AI-generated code isn't perfect. You can then refine the tests, add more cases, or adjust the code to fit your project better. To make your workflow even faster, you can automate this process. Integrate the API calls into your development environment or your continuous integration and delivery pipeline. That way, tests can be generated or updated automatically as your code changes. Remember, you can ask ChatGPT to generate different types of tests, like mocks or stubs for dependencies or even integration tests. If the first set of tests isn't quite right, you can send follow-up prompts to improve or expand them. Using the ChatGPT application programming interface for creating unit tests saves you time on boilerplate code, letting you focus on testing the actual logic and edge cases. It's a great way to learn how to write tests by reviewing AI-generated examples and experimenting with different prompts. Just keep in mind that human oversight is still important because the AI might miss some tricky cases or make small errors. In summary, you prepare your code, craft a clear prompt, send it to the API, review and refine the results, and automate the process to speed up your testing. This approach makes testing faster, helps you learn more about writing tests, and keeps your code quality high.